Crack open how margarine is made and you'll see why it performs so reliably on the line. Margarine starts with a precise blend of high-quality oils, water, salt, emulsifiers, and in some cases, dairy. That formula creates a stable product with predictable behavior in professional kitchens. The oil drives much of its performance. They provide a clean, neutral flavor and a uniform fat base that melts evenly, spreads smoothly, and holds up under heat on griddles, pans, and ovens. Emulsifiers reinforce that stability by keeping oil and water mixed and supporting even browning across menu applications. Other ingredients add functional benefits. A small amount of water creates steam for lift in baked goods. Salt enhances flavor and browning. Optional dairy solids contribute richness and a butter-like finish. Altogether, the formulation delivers a consistency that operators can rely on. Margarine maintains its structure and heat, performs the same batch after batch, and stays workable straight from the fridge, reducing mistakes, supporting efficient prep, and keeping service moving. Its ingredient profile also gives it a longer shelf life than butter and more consistent performance throughout the year, helping operators manage inventory and maintain quality across locations. Those same ingredients drive cost efficiency. Because margarine is built from high-quality oils instead of fluctuating dairy inputs, it offers butter-like functionality at a more predictable price. Its smooth, even melt supports better yield control and less waste. Understanding how margarine is formulated shows its value in food service, a dependable, adaptable, and cost-effective ingredient that keeps kitchens running smoothly, service after service.